Are you a business owner without sales this month? You think that there's no need for you to file VAT? Please don't make such a costly mistake. Even if your VAT is zero, you are still expected to file a NIL VAT. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to file NIL VAT on REV360. All right, whether you're an accountant, entrepreneur, tax consultant, or student learning compliance, this video is for you.
You are welcome to the Analytical Entrepreneur.
You're welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we simplify tax, accounting, digital compliance, and data analysis so you can stay informed and avoid unnecessary penalty. Today, we're going to be focusing on REV360, a digital platform, right? I will show you exactly how to file NIL VAT correctly. So let's get started.
You are welcome to the Analytical Entrepreneur.
Okay, let's get started. You go to google.com to search for self-service, REV360 self-service. So you click it. You are allowed to come up. And you have this window displayed. The first is that log in with your tax promise credentials, right? So if you have not activated this, you use this. Then forgotten the tax promise credentials, you use this one to retrieve your information. You say if you have forgotten your tax promise credentials, set up your REV360 login here, right? Now, already have a REV360 credentials. So mine, I've already done migrate from tax promise to REV360. So I'm going to use this. So you click that, lie to groups. Okay, come here and put my, already have this email I want to use. Put your passwords. Okay, and you click enter. Sign in. So you wait for it to come up. All right, we are there now. Okay, so we want to do NIL VAT filing. You come to self-tax filing. Okay, click it, wait for it to come up. Wait for it to come up, stay booting. It seems my network is very slow. Okay. It's coming up now. Okay, it's up now. So you check, you see no tax account details. See all this information there, all of them are name. So click tax due. See, we already have one that's due. It's due in a few days' time. Second is 2 days' time. This VAT for April, and it's due in 2 days' time. So let's file it. So we're here now, and you click. Make sure that you select Nigeria. Once you select the April 2026, will automatically comes up. You can't edit this. So, and you have the template here. So you come and download that template, download VAT template. Download it and make sure that it's saved properly on your laptop. Okay, you could have several files that has been downloaded, but make sure that then you enable it here. Make sure that it's saved properly so that you won't have a mix-up of your file. All right, so you have it here. Put it, save it to your desktop, then and saved on your laptop. You see all these sheets. You are not expected to fill anything here. Just leave them blank. Okay, when you have sales in any particular month, then you can decide to fill them, right? So, but in this case, we are not filling anything. Just save it on your laptop, save it properly, and upload it back to the portal. That's what you just need to do. But ensure that there's no figures on these sheets. Okay, so once you do that, you upload it back to portal from RAS file. So you select where you say you saved it, and go there and pick it. So once you pick it, you see that upload assessments will be enabled. You can take it off from there now. So what you do, before you go there, say, please ensure that your assessment file is in Excel format, which we have is already there. Maximum file size allowed is 5 MB. You use the standard VAT assessment table. That is the table you must use. Don't use any other table. All mandatory field must be filled in a template. If you are supposed to fill it, assuming you made a sales and you expect, but in this case, there's no sales, nothing. Ensure figures are accurate before uploading. So you upload assessment and wait for it to come up before you move to the next level. It's uploading. So you allow it to upload completely. Assessment uploads successful. So what you now need to do is to confirm. You don't just go ahead and make a declaration. You confirm. You say compatible payable is nil. So you can see all this now, they are nil. Nothing is there. Make sure that it's empty when you are filing for nil. Make sure that it's empty, right? Make sure that it's empty. So you come here and accept. So you file return. Click file return. So you wait for it to file completely. Allow it to file completely. Just allow it. Fail to return. Please try again. What are we trying again? Let's see. Everything here. Empty. Nothing there. We have to accept this declaration. So let's go again and try. Return files successfully. That's beautiful. All right, so whenever you experience such challenges, don't panic. Just keep trying. It could be that your network is the cost. So you can see now, taxable, total tax payable is nil. Wallet, we don't have anything there. Unpaid is nil. So then you can go and say view receipts and go and view your receipts. You allow it to come up. If there's any receipt for you to view, go and check. So receipts, payment receipts. Though in this case, there's no payment receipt because we have not, we didn't make any payment. But loading records, let's wait to see what's to come up, right? So no receipt found because you didn't make any payments, right? No receipt found. There's no payment there. So even here, you can see notifications. Say your VAT filing for day has been successfully filed. Please proceed to make payments if you have to make payments. But in this case, there's no payment to make, right? So this is the way you should file your NIL filing. So if we have not filed this tax due after 3 days from now, we would have been paying 100,000 financing. And the beauty thing about this REV360 is that it will just show in this your account, unlike the tax promos. It will just show once it gets to that day and you have not filed, 100,000 will just pop up in your account, and it will just be a liability on this company. All right, so thank you so much for being there to listen and watch this video. If this is my explanation has been able to address your needs, challenges, okay, just do well to share this video to entrepreneurs, tax consultants, or students who want to ensure that they are complying with tax authority. Thank you. I'll wait for our next video.